Welcome to Korea-Ville. This is one of the entrances and maybe a mile or so away from the Ville. Unlike the Ville, however, this one has authentic Korean food. It's not catered to Americans. And you'll notice we're doing a tour at night so you can see into a lot of the restaurants and the places that we pass. This one here is classic Korean barbecue, communal style eating. Over here we've got a classic Korean restaurant. And a lot of these places I've never been to, but I'll point out the ones that I have been to. At the end of this video, I bring you into what is literally my favorite restaurant of all time. But first, this is actually my friend's favorite restaurant. Nope, not this one. Okay, this one. This one, we call it glass top because they have this giant glass platter, and that's how you cook your meat, your veggies, everything. It's communal style eating, and the food's really good. It's delicious. It's a lot of fun. So, this is glass top. Turning left after glass top, there's more restaurants I've never been to, but this one has fish, so this will probably be the most visually appealing part of the whole video. Okay, now we're making a beeline for Daiso. You can get basically anything you want at Daiso. Over here, we've got all the produce. You can get your groceries, meats, whatever, all the things. And over here, more packaged goods. I like cheap foreign red wine, and they've definitely got it. There are all sorts of random supplies, household goods, snacks, cleaning supplies, whatever you might need. A lot of it's probably here at Daiso. It's not exactly Home Depot, but for all the small things, it's got you covered. I like to go to this toy section here. If I'm going to get something, it's probably going to be something I can assemble. So I like these guys. Here's Baskin Robbins. A lot of people seem to really like this spot. And here's another toy store. Except the toys mostly seem to be on the outside. Once you walk in, it transitions to stationary supplies. But they do have airsoft guns. This one is a super cute coffee shop. They've really nailed the vibe in there. Here's a bakery and sweet shop on the left, followed by I don't know what. But then there's a butcher shop. Hulala Chicken is a Korean fried chicken restaurant, and for whatever reason, fried chicken is super popular in Korea. If you want broccoli on your pizza, Korea is the place to get that done. There are some surprising pizza options to be discovered. Here's one last fried chicken spot. And now it's time for my favorite restaurant called Would You Shabu. So Shaba Shabu is Korean hot pot. It is absolutely delicious. I highly recommend everybody go here. It's communal style eating, so everybody is cooking and eating together. So you start by adding all of the veggies into the broth, and then you order whatever else you want. That might be meats, it could be dumplings, it could be whatever. And as you cook all these things in the broth just gets better and better and better. And if you can just make this a super healthy meal and just eat meat and veggies the whole time. As the broth boils down, the final step is the waiter comes over and turns what's left into a porridge. So this turns into a multi-course meal, from veggies to meats to noodles, and then the final porridge at the end. Plus, if you had an appetizer of kimchi, it is just an awesome experience and delicious all the way through. So I highly recommend Would You Shabu. It's a great family-run restaurant. It's been a great experience and delicious every single time. So I wish you a great trip to Korea-Ville.